Hi guys, I'm TheCubeSolver. This is the fourth and last part of my CFOP tutorial series, and I will be teaching you on how to do the PLL or permutation of the last layer. After orienting the last layer, we will now permute the corners, then the edges to finally solve your cube using the CFOP method. First, we will permute the corners. There are only two cases and two algorithms that you should learn in permuting the corners. Here are the two algorithms to learn. Front, right, up prime, right prime, up prime, right, up, right prime, and front prime. And the other algorithm goes like this: right, up, right prime, up prime, right prime, front, right, and front prime. If the two correct corners are opposite to each other like this one, these two are opposite to each other, face the right one at the front left and the other at the back right. Do the algorithm that starts with F move first, then do the algorithm that starts with R move. Front, right, up prime, right prime, up prime, right, up, right prime, and front prime. And then the algorithm starts with R. Right, up, right prime, up prime, right prime, front, right, and then front prime. Now it's done. If the two correct corners are adjacent to each other, like this one, which look like tail lights, place it on the left. I prefer to match the two correct corners with its correct side because it's easier to see. But the algorithm will still work even if it's not. If there are tail lights on the left, then start with algorithm that starts with the R move, then do the algorithm that starts with the F move. Right, up, right prime, up prime, right prime, front. Now as you can see, we can cancel out the F move since the counterclockwise move is done right after a clockwise move. And we can also combine the R moves into R2. Next, R2, up prime, right prime, up prime, right, up, right prime, and front prime. Now you will see the taillights in all sides, which mean all corners are on its right places. Then we can proceed with permuting the edges. If there are three incorrect edges, place the right one at the back. This is correct. If the edge piece on the right side should be on the opposite side, do this algorithm. So in this case, it is green. It should be in here. Right, up prime, right, up, right, up, right prime, up prime, right prime, up prime, and right 180 degrees. Now what if the edge piece on the left side should be on the right side? Then do this algorithm. It is just the left version of the algorithm for the right side. In this case, the blue should be in here. Left prime up, left prime up prime, left prime up prime, left prime up, left up, and left 180 degrees. Remember that if the edge piece is right to left, the algorithm starts with R. And if the edge piece is left to right, then the algorithm starts with an L. If all edges are incorrect and it should be on the opposite side, like in this case, this orange edge piece should be in here and this orange edge piece should be in here, as well as this blue and green. They should be on the opposite side. Then do this algorithm, you may face any side. Actually, of all the algorithms in PLL, it is the easiest to remember. Middle layer 180 degrees, up 180 degrees, middle layer 180 degrees, up, middle layer 180 degrees, up 180 degrees, middle layer 180 degrees, and up prime. That is just like this. Now, if you want to start with this two in here, okay, do that M2, U2, M2. Just like that. Okay, now you're done with the two. Now, next you have to do the other two. Same algorithm. And then just bring back the top side. Now what if the edges should be on its adjacent side, like this one? This green should be in here, this red should be in here. The same case with orange and blue. Just a reminder, M rotations are the same with L. If the L prime is like this, then M prime is also like this. Face it like this, the edge at the front should be going to the right. Or you could also face this green because this green is also going to the right. M prime, U prime, M2, U prime, M2, U prime, M prime, U2, M2, and Q. Just an additional information, if you are more comfortable with U move than U prime move, then face it like this. The edge at the front is going to the left instead. The U moves will just be reversed. U prime will be U and U will be U prime. Okay, M prime U, M2 U, M2 U, M prime U2, M2 U prime. That's it. We're done. If you managed to solve it, leave a like in this tutorial, tell your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.